Welcome back to Mahjonggmentor.com. This is our January edition of Classroom Corner, and I'm Leah Fagenbaum, your mentor today. We asked our subscribers what they wanted to see, and they wanted me to analyze some more hands, so here we go. This is after the Charleston. During the Charleston, I've collected 2, 4, 6, 8, and thought about 2014 because those two sections of the card overlap. All right, so there's 14 tiles here. I was the dealer. So the first thing we have to decide is what we're going to get rid of because I have to discard first. And I've kind of decided that I'm going to let go of the 2014 section of the card just to bring it down to one final section for us. So I'm going to get rid of my 1. That's the first tile I'm going to discard as the play begins. So let's get rid of that. Bye-bye. 1 die. All right. Now, going from there, let's analyze a couple of hands together real quick. Let's look at this top one on 2, 4, 6, 8, all in one suit first. I'm just going to keep talking, what a shock, and keep moving these tiles around. Okay? So here we are in the top hand. I'm just going to move the jokers around. Here we go. Let's move these out of the way and move this over so it's easy to see. All right, here's the hand. We need a pair of 2s and a pair of 4s that we don't have. We can call because it's an exposed hand for our third 6. We have 2. We have 2 8s. We can call for the 3rd. And we have 3 soaps. We can call for the 4th. So that's the good thing. The bad thing is that we're missing the completion of 2 pairs. That I don't like. So even though we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tiles for this hand, following the rule of thumb, if we're lucky enough to get 4 jokers, well, we could get 8 for this hand, and we still haven't completed our pairs. That's the bad news. Okay, so the next hand I want to look at is this second to the bottom one in this section of the card. So I'm just going to keep moving the tiles around that we started with, and just keep talking about the hands. Okay, let's move these over again. All right. The hand calls for matching 2s and 8s pungs. We have 2 we can call for the 3rd. We have 2 we can call for the 3rd. And we have, we would need kongs of each of these. So depending what comes out and what order, we would have to move the jokers to and fro to call. Now, let's count how many tiles we have for this hand. 2, 4, 6. We only have 8. All right? Now, the good news about this hand, even though I wasn't crazy about the top one, the 8s in these hands overlap. Both hands call for a pung or 3 8s. So maybe if we're going to take a chance on the top hand, we can call for the 3 8s, and that leaves us open to play both hands depending what else we get. And we don't have to burn a joker to call for this tile. So for that reason, I like this hand. All right, here we go. Third hand. We're going to go to the bottom hand in this section of the card. All one suit, and that's good because it overlaps with the top hand. So we've been saving all the same stuff. All right, we need a pair of flowers. We got that. It calls for 3 2s, 3 4s, 3 6s, and 3 8s. It is concealed, so there's nothing wrong with that if this is the hand that you choose to play, and we have most tiles for this hand, I believe. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have more tiles for this hand than the other 2. So depending what's going out and how comfortable you are playing a concealed hand, this may actually be our best bet because we need 14 tiles for Mahjong. We have 10, and it does follow the rule that if you're lucky enough to get the jokers, this hand will work for you. So if you can be flexible as you're playing and kind of go with the flow, that's the best case scenario, because the difference between an average Mahjong player and a really good Mahjong player is your flexibility as you're playing the game. So hopefully these tips helped you, and join me next month at Mahjonggmentor.com. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.